Welcome to our short fun fact video. Your brain is doing things right now that would blow your mind. Let's dive into some insane brain facts. The first fun fact is that human brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb. The second fun fact about brain is that it has around 86 billion neurons, and each one connects to thousands of others. Your brain is a living, buzzing network. Third fun fact is that the brain feels no pain. That's why brain surgery can be done while you're wide awake. The next is every time you recall a memory, your brain rewrites it. So your memories, they're not perfect snapshots, they're edited stories. Next is, your brain processes images faster than any computer, as quick as 13 milliseconds. Next, fun fact. It's actually more active at night than during the day. Yes, your brain parties while you sleep. Another fun fact is that music boosts brain activity and can even help people with brain injuries recover faster. Last but not the least, multitasking? Total myth. Your brain doesn't do things at once. It rapidly switches between tasks, pretending to. That's it for now. Human brain is a most powerful tool, and it's still full of mysteries. Join us for our next such fun fact videos. Please like, follow, and share if you learned something new.